What's going on, Collective fam? We're back at it again with another video. We're gonna do an unboxing of this new 10 Deep stuff that we got in. So let's check it out. Alright, so let's get this bad boy open. Yo, this is some fresh stuff, guys. This is some fresh stuff. We got this hoodie right here, 10 Deep hoodie, pretty fresh piece. Let's open it up. Let's check it out. Yeah, so it has a nice piece on the back, Japanese print. We got this floral handkerchief right here. We got some socks, some cozy socks right here. Let's open one up. We got some fresh colorways right here. Ooh, these some soft socks. You know what I mean? These some soft socks. You know, I would stay warm in these. I would cop these, keep me cozy. We got a couple shirts in here. Yo, and we got this crossed out tee right here. Oh wait, it's a long sleeve though. So we got this crossed out on the front, the little pattern right there. And we got this nice crossed out on the back too, that 10 Deep. All right, we got another long sleeve. Here we go. It's long sleeve season, y'all. We got this 10 Deep pattern right here. And then like fresh all the way down the back. Peep it, check it out. What else we got in here? Oh, we got a, what is this? This is heavy. Let's open this up. It's a, what is this? Oh, it's a candle. Yo, it's a candle, fam. You know, light this up in the bathroom when you're trying to take a cozy bath. All right, it's a candle. And we got this hoodie right here. Let's see. Oh, okay. So they got the pocket design right here, like a paisley pattern. And then on the back, what is this on the back? Oh, okay. So they got the like paisley and like they got the handkerchief pattern. They got some embroidery up here. All right, pretty cool, nice piece. What else we got in here? Oh, we got some nice goodies in here too. We got some buttons. Ooh, we got a bunch of stickers. Ooh, sticker fam. Put them on your hydro flask for y'all college kids. You know what it's about. What else we got in here? Oh, and we got one more hoodie. And we got this hoodie. Ooh, we got nothing on the front. No, actually, we got that little 10 Deep right there. Little embroidery right there. We got like a sleeve pattern too. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's like the Japanese pattern. And then we got it on the back too. Ooh, this is a hard piece. We got like this little Japanese like flowers and whatnot on the back, stitched on. Yo, that's really tight. That's a really hard piece right there. All right, so my favorite piece out of this haul is probably this long sleeve right here. You know, it's low key. It got all the logos crossed out and got it crossed out on the back. But what I like about it is, like with the long sleeves, it's not like a short sleeve, but it keeps you warm. You know, it keeps all of your body parts covered, but it's not too hot that you can't wear it on a nice hot day. So that's why that's my favorite piece. And once again, we're doing a giveaway for this video. In order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below your size, which one of the pieces that you'd want to get, and then subscribe to our channel. You'll be entered to win one of these items in the video. And we're gonna be choosing the winner on April 20th, 4/20, for all you number enthusiasts out there. If you want any of these pieces, come check out our shop in the Valley in LA. We also have the online store. It's gonna be linked in the description down below. Other than that, stay fresh, fam.